Students, today we are going to solve exercise 1.4 class 9 advanced maths question number 3. Find the sums in binary numbers. Student, you may remember that same chapter you already had in class 8. Already you have done. In class 8, the exercise name is 1D. Question number was same and questions are also same. So this chapter is equally suitable for class 8 also and class 9 also. Now, first question 3 Roman 1. Find the sums in binary numbers. We have to find the sum only of binary numbers. So 3 Roman 1 I will do, then 3 Roman 3 I will do, then 3 Roman 5 I will do. Now let's have a look how to solve this one by one. I will solve these sums. Students, the first question is 110 plus 11 plus 10. Now we are going to add all the binary digits. Now here I will write 110, then 11, then 10. Now I am going to add all this. Before starting the addition, student, in my last video also I have already seen that 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 means in binary it is 10, but 1 plus 1 in decimal is 2. Now I would like to show you one conversion of decimal to binary. Look here. Decimal 1 means binary 1, decimal 2 means binary 10, decimal 3 means binary 11, like this. So I will use this conversion for adding the binary sums. Now student, look here, 0 and 1, so 1 will be here. Now 1 plus 1, now 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 means 2 actually, and 1 means 11. Look here, 1 plus 1 is 3 actually, but look here now, look here, 3 in decimal but in binary 1 1. So now 1 plus 1 3 means in binary it is 1 1. So 1 is here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 means 2. Now look here, 1 plus 1 is 2 in decimal, but in binary it is 1 0. So here 1 plus 1 and that carry 1 means 1 0. This is the answer of the addition. This is 3 Roman 1. Now students, we are going to solve that 3 Roman 3. Here I will write 1 0 1 1 0, then 1 1 0, and then 1 1. We are going to add these 3 digits in binary. So 0 and 1, obviously 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 in decimal, but look here, in binary 3 means 1 1. So I will take only 1 and 1 will be carry. Now here we'll put here 1 and 1 will be carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Look here again, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 1 0, 10 in binary. So I will put here 10. 10 plus 1 carry means 11. So 11 means, look here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in decimal but 1 0 in binary. With carry 1 means 11 means 1. And means carry 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1 again, and this will put here. So our answer of 3 Roman 3 is 1 2 3 4 5 5 1. This is the answer of 3 Roman 3. Now students, we are going to solve that 3 Roman 5. This is the question, and just I have plotted the digits here like this in the addition format. Now again we are going to add this 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. 3 in decimal, but in binary it is 11, so I write here 1 and carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Look, if it is 4, then look here, in binary 4 means 100, means 100 in binary. 4 in decimal, but in binary 100. So here if it is 100, now carry with 1, which means 101 means 5. If it is 5, then 101. And if it is 101, which means if I put here 1 and carry will be 10. Now here I will put 1 and carry will be 10. Now look here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and there is carry 10. Means if it is 2 means 10 and again 10 means 4. If it is 4, then 0 and carry 10. Next would be 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. If it is 4, then carry 2 again, which means 6. If it is 6, then 1 1 0. So will be again 0 and carry 1 1. And this is 1 1 means 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 means 1 0 0. So 0 will be here and carry 1 0. Now look here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus again 1 0 is carry, means again 2 means 4. 4 means again 0 and carry will be 1 0. Now 1 0 and plus 1, 1 0 and plus 1 means 3. 3 means 11. 1 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 means 1 0 and again carry 1 means 1 will be here. And last one is carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 1 0 in binary. Students, don't confuse. I repeat again, 1 in decimal binary in 1, but 2 in decimal binary is 1 0 and 3 in decimal binary is 1 1. 4 in decimal binary is 1 0 0, like this. So don't confuse and try to solve this sum like this. You will solve question number 3, the remaining portions of addition. I have done only 1, 3 and 5, and the remaining portion you will solve now. And today I have done only question number 3. Since it is binary addition, maybe quite difficult for some students, so that's why I am not giving maximum load now. So just solve question number 3 and next day we'll start question number 4.